One bright morning in Gotham City, Batman woke up with a nagging toothache. Even superheroes have to take care of their teeth. Despite his busy schedule fighting crime, the pain was too much to ignore. So he took the Batmobile and zoomed to the local dentist's office. When he arrived, wearing his cape and mask, everyone in the waiting room was excited. Even superheroes need checkups, a little boy whispered to his mom. Batman gave a little nod, trying his best not to show his discomfort. The dentist, Dr. Smiles, greeted him warmly. "What seems to be the problem, Batman?" she asked, adjusting her dental glasses. Batman pointed to his aching tooth. Dr. Smiles examined carefully and said, "You've got a cavity. We'll need to take care of it to keep the rest of your teeth healthy. And remember, Batman, even crime-fighting heroes need to brush their teeth twice a day." After a quick procedure, Batman felt much better. Dr. Smiles handed him a special, sparkly toothbrush and reminded him, "Always brush in the morning and before bed." Feeling a bit embarrassed but mostly relieved, Batman waved goodbye and headed out of the clinic. To his surprise, outside the clinic were his superhero friends, Spider-Man, Superman, and Hulk, waiting for him. "Hey, Bats, how did it go?" Spider-Man asked, spinning his web in excitement. Batman chuckled and told them about his cavity and how important it is to brush and floss daily. "Phew," sighed Superman. "That's good advice. I'll make sure to stick to it too. I've been slacking a bit myself." Hulk, with his big friendly grin, said, "Hulk brush strong. No cavity," and everyone laughed. They were relieved to know Batman was okay and promised to remind each other about keeping their teeth clean. So, Batman taught his friends a valuable lesson that day. Even superheroes need to take care of their teeth to keep fighting villains and saving the world with healthy smiles. And each day, before swinging into action or flying into the sky, they all remembered to brush and floss, keeping their smiles bright and ready for any adventure.